POV with my boys. I'm finna head over there right now to the little spot. Once I head over to the little spot, we'll probably get out like 5:30, 5:45. We all gonna drive out and, just see what the moves is for today. But yeah, this is just gonna be a nice little POV video because I haven't recorded none all day. Plus, I've been wanting to get y'all a video. I didn't put a video out yesterday. I was tired. Plus, I did a video on my birthday, so I just wanted to take that day off. But I'm gonna see if I can get y'all some good content because my homie just got a new car. I feel like y'all gonna fuck with the car it is. Y'all gonna see in the thumbnail because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a decent picture of it. So it's gonna be in the thumbnail if he's at the spot. But yeah, I got y'all a little cutting up video today. I know I said we not gonna cut up no more for December, but I mean shit, the car that he said he got is kind of crazy. So he just doing a little something for y'all. But yeah. Let me get y'all with this bitch in sport mode for y'all. It's cold as hell. I'm rolling down my window all the way. This low key, like them places where you really not supposed to be speeding at. This is low key one of them places. Like it's the county you not really supposed to be fucking with because they'll definitely make sure that they get a helicopter on your ass. You're not going home safe. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. This what they'll look like, y'all. If y'all got tents, like the tents I got is like super dark. So like I got y'all where my face is. I'm tall. I'm 6'2". So like y'all literally driving basically with me. Yeah, that shit gonna turn over there. Go 20. I hear that motherfucker. I'm finna put mad work into this car. I got my Hellcat spoiler and all that stuff coming, so I'm gonna video like how you put it on everything for the boys. But like people that got these type of chargers, cause I see a lot of like people commenting on like my TikToks, Instagram. They be like, "Wow, why you get one of these gen chargers?" Like like they always ask me like, "Why'd you get a new one?" Cause I like these ones better. Like the SRT8 bumper look way more aggressive. And I know it don't look more aggressive than the Hellcat bumper, but like it look better than like the standard. Like y'all remember the 2015 like RTs? Like nah, that's not my. Yeah, no, I hated that shit. But yeah, my phone for it out, so I'm gonna cut this out and then I'm gonna let y'all. I'm gonna put it back on my phone charge and when we start cutting up. So yeah. Alright, YouTube, we back. So my girl wanted me to go to the house. I'm on my way to the house. I was gonna go slide with the boys and see what there was wrong. I'm not caring. I just need a new phone. But I was gonna slide out with them, but I mean they was taking too long at the spot, so I just did. And now my girl want me to slide with her, which I'm cool with. I'm gonna slide with her, be safe. I'm saying everybody be safe, like what I'm saying. Like don't cut up if you like if you don't got tires. That's number one, because I don't got tires for real. So and I just got new rims. I'm gonna be showing y'all my new rims that I got. I'm gonna get the whole set, then I'm gonna show y'all. But until I get the whole set, because I only got 2 in my rear right now. But just know they 20s, so I'm gonna have y'all guess what that is. See if y'all know. Bro, I don't like that motherfucker. Larry, bro, that shit is annoying. Like, that shit pissing me off. But I just want to know how y'all boys been, you know what I'm saying? It's getting cold, it's getting December time. Everybody want to be in a relationship, you know what I'm saying? Everybody want to have their fun. Ooh. But like, how y'all feel about relationships? Because I love my relationship that I'm in. Like, I don't want it to end. But I want her to treat me like how I treat her, like how he is. My bad if I'm like touching the camera or something. It's just I'm trying to wipe it off. Cause like, oh yeah, I went to the car wash place to get. Let's see if this one's on camera. Oh, it did, yes sir. There y'all go. We back. Yes sir. Alright. And that shit really did just give me my mood. I'm mad happy now. Damn, both of them. We still gonna drive this motherfucker. On E. Nah, let me stop. I'm gonna go get to the gas station though. And I'm gonna show you. Nah, I ain't gonna show y'all the rings. Yeah, nah. Damn, I wanna show y'all so bad. Fuck. It's cool though. Y'all gonna like it when I do it. in this cold ass weather the whole night. This motherfuckers wanna drive 30. The fuck? That shit would turn yellow. Under my screen. It's gonna be yellow this month. We're gonna hurry up. That's an RT Charger person, and they got new rims. Like they went up a size. So, like, let's say y'all had the 19s, so y'all had the 20s. Y'all get 21, so like the 20s. Like it was just me. Like, do it feel like the car set up higher? Like you feel like you in a big body Tonka or some shit. Like I really do feel like you in a boat. Like I feel like I'm in a boat right now. Like for real, for real. This shit feel heavy as fuck. I feel like I'm in a truck, but I'm really in a car, nigga. That shit hard as fuck. Dodge is raw as hell for that. Like, I know I'm not the only person. Like, let me get y'all like, I know I'm not the only person that like think that. Like, ain't no way. Like, Dodge knew what they was doing, bro. They definitely did. It was like, fuck it. Like, you finna make motherfuckers feel like they in a fucking truck. But yeah, this shit a Tonka for real, for real. These new rims, it feel like God damn, I love this car. Ah, that's it, Vic. Ugly. Hurry up, bitch. Move. I'm gonna smack the fuck out you. Downshift. Ooh, something gonna raspy. I don't like that though. Hey bro, I ain't gonna lie. I just thought of a raw ass Hellcat. So y'all remember the Hellcat that Montana King had? That was like, I think it was like Green Goblin. Bro, that motherfucker sounds so raw. And like you got Beats headphones, bro, put them bitches on your Beats, bro. I'm trying to tell you, that shit sound like it's a real life, man. That shit said, I can't even do the sound. That shit was so raw. But yeah, Monte, I ain't gonna lie, you should definitely do your red out like that, bro. Like, that shit hard, too. That shit is fucking hard. But Corey knew shit raw as fuck, too. That 1100 horsepower green. I don't even know what it is. I barely watch Corey. I really fucking with Vontae Quan and Island Boy. Start with R. R-I-G. Greek. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, damn, that shit is like rubbing. Fuck, I need new tires, nigga. Alright. Oh, shit. That's how you supposed to get on the fucking highway. You got any type of V8. You supposed to slam on that motherfucker. Yeah, dropping gear, slam that motherfucker. Fuck you talking about? But don't spin out. Like me, I'm gonna spin out because you know what I'm saying. Don't got tires. I need tires. I need them bitches badly, bro. I can't stand not having no fucking tires. That shit's so annoying. I gotta be so fucking careful. Like, nigga, I wanna fucking speed. Nigga, I wanna hear my engine. I don't want to slip and slide and bust my shit into a fucking wall. It's cold as fuck. sliding. Fuck. Need some fucking tires. What the fuck is this? Don't die. Don't die, bro. It ain't that serious. You really not cut up for real. Don't crash now. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. You gotta be professional when you do this shit, twin. Believe me, now you gonna die. It's cold as hell, 21 degrees, and we speed like horrible. Nah, but we really not speeding. I'm really even touching the gas. Damn, well, that's a crack, man. I hate the fact that like all this shit really a setup. That's how I know this shit is simulation. They leave potholes and shit on the street. That's why they got like places like discounts are like places to fix your shit at, cause like they know like we gonna fuck your shit up. How you pay for your shit to get fucked up by us, and then just repeat the cycle with everybody else. Like damn, the government don't get no fuck. This shit all almost spun out, guys. You gotta be careful. But yeah, the government don't be giving a fuck. I be trying to tell you, man. They don't get no fuck. Bye, y'all, man, this video, because I'm gonna get to a crib. So, peace. But I just gave y'all like 11, 12, 13 something minute video. Like, y'all better like. Fuck something. But yeah, y'all be safe out here. Be smooth. Stay motivated. Keep hustling. Keep grinding. Don't let nobody take you off your shit. Alright.